Welcome back, everybody, to Myelin and Me. If someone told you there was a natural supplement that might help your brain repair itself, improve focus, support nerves, and calm inflammation, would you think I was taking the mick? Because there is. So today I'm talking about something that's blowing up right now, and I've had a little try of it for about a year. It's called lion's mane mushroom. So if you live with MS, like I do, you've probably seen people claiming it repairs nerves or reverses brain sort of lesions, damage, etc. So today, we're going to cut through the hype, all right? It's going to be no lies, no miracle claims, just what actually it does, how it works and whether it's worth your time with MS. So let's go. Let's get into this episode. I hope you enjoy this one. So what is lion's mane is the main question. You've probably seen from my thumbnail what it looks like. So it's, it's a medicinal mushroom, all right? It looks like sort of a little white brain, I'd say. Yeah, we'll go with that. So, which is kind of perfect, really, because it's best known for helping the brain and the nervous system. So this mushroom has been used for centuries in like traditional Chinese and Japanese medicine. They've been using it for memory, brain health, digestion, immune system support, but modern science has discovered something which is quite big, I think, in my opinion. Lion's mane contains compounds that stimulate nerve growth. That's what we want, or nerve growth factor, which is called NGF, if you're going to get really technical. And that's where things get interesting for people with multiple sclerosis. So you might think, well, why does this matter for MS, Mike? I'm on an MS channel. Tell me why. So I will. So with MS, our nervous system is literally under attack. 24/7, it is under attack. So myelin, as we all know about, the protective coating around our nerves gets damaged and signals slow down. Symptoms appear: fatigue, brain fog, pain, weakness. I could go on for days, couldn't I? So, but if you listen carefully now, right? Lion's mane does not cure MS, right? It doesn't replace medication, and anyone telling you, it does replace this is lying, in my opinion. But it may support the body in 3 powerful ways, and we love support, don't we? So we'll look at nerve support. Lion's mane may encourage nerves to repair pathways through NGF, which we just talked about. See, it's all coming together. That doesn't mean regrowth of myelin, but it may help the brain adapt, rewire, and protect what's left. So we want to protect what we've got. All right. So another big one for me especially is brain fog and cognition. Studies show that lion's mane may improve memory, focus, your processing speed, mental clarity. Happy days. So for people with MS brain fog, I get that a lot. Why wouldn't you explore that? Happy days. I keep saying happy days on this one, I don't know why. Anti-inflammatory effects as well it helps with, which is another major thing. MS is rooted in inflammation, isn't it? And lion mane, it contains compounds that may help reduce inflammation or inflammatory markers. So less inflammation equals better environment for your nerves, which makes sense. It does well. It's not a miracle, but it's a potential ally if you want to look at it. And with MS, we build a team for our body. I like that, don't you? We build a team. So, we don't just have one magic pill and everything goes away. We kind of got to build foundations, basically help ourselves. So, I've looked at the research and, human studies show lion's mane may improve cognition in older adults, reduce anxiety and depression symptoms, support nerve regeneration. It's been done. Protect brain cells from damage, reduce inflammation in like your nerve tissue. And other studies show it may regenerate nerve fibers, which it is what we want, isn't it? But most of these have been sort of tested on animals and things like that. So, human studies, they're going to come soon. But it's promising, absolutely. MS thrives on people being told that, nothing can help. It loves it. It loves it. But that's not true. Support is not cure, but support matters. Build foundations. I keep mentioning that. Just keep building your foundations. So you're like, Mike, how do I take lion's mane? I'm not going to go in the garden, pick some lion's mane and just eat it, am I? So let's be smart about this, okay? This is how I take it. I take it's 2 little tablets. Nicely done. In the morning, glass of water, done. Brilliant. Or you can actually get in powder form, extracts. I know there's a coffee out there as well. There's a coffee blend out there for lion's mane. I've never tried it. Probably never will, but So the best form for me is tablets myself. That's what I think. Nice and easy. Sorted. Done in the morning, glass of water. Thanks very much. So that ensures you get the best beneficial compounds and it's properly absorbed. So avoid sort of like your cheap ones, which, the ones I mean. You go on Amazon and there's big flashing lights around it. Buy me. So, yeah. Stay away from them. Just nice and easy. I'll put in the comments the ones that I take. If you're interested, have a go. So most people take 500 to 1,000 milligrams a day. I take 1,000, which is 2 tablets. But start low. Build up slowly. Sort of give it 3 or 4 weeks. There's no rush. MS going nowhere, is it? So there's no rush. So they work, quietly, don't they, supplements? Not overnight. It's not going to be like, oh, you take lion's mane, you're like, the next day, you're like, whoa, this is great, this. So, there is obviously a few side effects. There's side effects to everything in it. But lion's mane is considered very, 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 very safe. But some people may get, an upset stomach from it or a headache, the usual sort of things. You take paracetamol and the big list you got. So, there's always something, isn't there? But, if you have MS and you take medication, always tell your neurologist. I'll put that in. I'm not a medical professional, as we know. But, this is a natural compound. It's completely harmless, smart, safe, happy days. But my honest take on it, if you want to know what I've got, I did a poll and a lot of people don't take it. So maybe you might change your mind after this video. Lion's mane won't cure MS. But, it could support your brain, reduce inflammation, improve clarity, help mental fatigue, and protect your nerve health. You're loving this already, and you're like, yeah, Mike, this is exactly what I want. So, would I rather try something, with solid research behind it than do nothing every day? I don't know. Yeah, I think I would. MS already takes so much, doesn't it? Everything that helps protect my brain, and it's natural, it's worth respecting. It's worth looking into it, even if you're like, no, I don't want to take it. I don't want to take supplements, but it's just something nice for you to watch, isn't it? You're on YouTube and you're like, yeah, let's watch this. So if you tried lion's mane, comment your experience below. As I say, I put a poll out and I think it was about 90-10 or something like that in favour of not taking it. So put in the comments if you have sort of good or bad experiences. Mention it to your friends and things like that. And if you want real talk about MS, no hype, no fake cures, no nonsense, do me a favour and just subscribe to Myelin and me. If you want that, it won't cost you anything and it really helps my channel. I enjoy doing these videos for you. It's first day of December. I hope you've all got your Valentine's. God, I'm losing the plot. I hope you've all got your advent calendars, I meant. So, yeah, whatever behind number 1 door was, right, then great. I got a Reese's Pieces one today, me and my daughter. I don't know why I'm talking about this, but, you all love this sort of thing, I reckon. So, I'll see you on the next one. Enjoy your day. I hope you had something good behind number 1 advent calendar. And take care. And if in doubt, have you thought about trying yoga?